How to check second-hand iPhone. Tips before buying in social media marketplace. Physical check. Physically check the unit if no damage issues, especially the screen or LCD. Internal check. Check if no Apple ID signed in. If there is, ask the seller to remove it. Make sure the Apple ID is already signed out. Go to General, click About Phone. The first letter in the model number represents the source of the device. M, brand new device, meaning the device was purchased new. F, refurbished device, meaning the device has been through refurbishing process. And replacement device, meaning the originally bought device was replaced by this model, likely due to a service request. P, personalized device with engraving, meaning the device was customized with an engraving on purchase. Serial number checking. Copy the serial number of the phone. Connect to internet and open Safari. Type serial number checker. Checking serial number helps you to distinguish all information about the phone. Check the phone you are buying if the data information results was correct. One example is the color, etc. Paste the serial number here. Checking. Now you will see all information about the phone you are buying. Make sure that all information are correct. Camera check. Check if the both camera is still working in good condition. Sound check. Just play any ringtone to test the audio speaker. And also check the volume button if it is working. Mouthpiece check. Record your voice to test if the mouthpiece is working fine. Your voice should be recorded. Display check. Check True Tone and Face ID if it is still working properly. %90 possibilities the screen was already replaced if this does not functioning. Battery health check. 80% above battery health are good if it is the original battery and not the replacement tone. Touchscreen check. Turn on assistive touch. Hold the assistive ball and move across the screen. If you see the icon slip off your hand at a certain point on the screen, then that point may be dead touch already. If you're done checking all important features, you can now factory reset phone. But make sure that the phone is unlocked, no Apple ID, find My device is turned off. So you don't encounter any problems after you factory reset it. Just press erase all content and settings, and the phone will reboot a factory default settings. If I missed some important tips, just comment down what it is so others may know. If this video helps you, please consider subscribe to this channel for more informative video tutorial updates. Thanks for watching.